Hi guys, welcome back. Today I do apologise for the lighting. The day has been absolutely crazy and the light in here in my flat is really dark. So I'm hoping you can see this beautiful necklace that I've actually showed you previously on another video. I know normally I would have the match straight, but this is the only position that I've got that you can actually see it quite well. So I'm hoping you can. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this necklace apart. The bottom one there and this one and these little round ones are actually, I think, the main part of the necklace where the loops are actually closed. And these ones here I think they have gaps in the loop. So not so secure if you're adding jump rings where they could slip through, or any kind of wire, especially thin wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart and come back and show you what bits I have and maybe what we could do with it. Make a necklace or even a bracelet. So this is basically part one. I will use my chain and flat nose pliers to prise open the jump rings. So basically the loops on these rectangle ones are damaged. So again, the chain nose and just take off. Right, let's try and get the rest off. As you can see, the loop is open there, it's broken. So that has to come off. So I'm just using my chain nose and try and get all these rectangle ones gone. And there's your connector and another one for a pendant. It takes a little while to undo all of them, but they are pretty easy actually to open. I think it's because they're so damaged, the metal is weakened, so it's easier to undo. So that's those ones done. Now these ones, I'm going to take off the chain, which I won't be reusing. The extension chain I may do, and the clasp. It's always handy to have a little box with those little bits in, so you can reuse. As you can see, I've managed to sort of salvage 4 of the round ones, and not that one, and then this bottom one, and also a connector to maybe sort of remake the necklace like so, and that on the bottom, and this is a separate one. So maybe that will be a nice idea to make a necklace. Or this one as the connector, and then maybe some cluster at the bottom, a little bit of cluster here, maybe add some chain. I think chain might be a good idea, maybe stainless steel, so that it actually is strong, because these little components, they are actually quite, they're not heavy, but they're not light. They are a metal, So maybe something strong here, and then maybe some cluster at the bottom. And also these ones I could maybe turn into a matching necklace with the same kind of clustery sort of design in the middle, and then this one as a separate piece, as a separate necklace. Absolutely gorgeous. I do love the little sort of cross. You can see like a little crisscross pattern in there, and then the little sort of dots, decorative bits in there. And then I love the way that it's it has like a double, I don't know what you call it, but anyway, it's really nice, and it's actually solid at the back, so the pendant isn't going to fall out, or the middle part isn't going to fall out. So that is really nice. So that is the idea of a necklace and a bracelet. So I will come back and lay everything out and come back and show you. Hi guys, back again. Right, I've had a bit of a rummage, and I'm thinking I have these sort of beads, kind of Christmassy colours actually, but I think it may be the wrong green for is it malachite colours pattern, and then I was thinking maybe this green is the closest I can find for to match, but I don't want to be doing you know, this as a single strand thing. I want to do cluster, but if that doesn't plan out, then it will be the green, and maybe some of this sort of blue colour, which actually has tones of purple in there, purples and pinks and blues, which is really nice. So maybe I could add the green and the blue with maybe the green, but not too much of that green. But I will have another rummage and see what I can actually find to go with that. But I'm still thinking that this one should be a separate thing, and this one as the necklace, and then this is a matching bracelet. And then this one and this one sell as a set, and then this one sell on its own.